What's up, TNS family? Oh my gosh, we were meant to wake up ages ago and it's almost 8:30 and I think Di's gonna leave us. But family, it's day 2. I went to sleep so late, like I forgot. It takes me forever to edit. But I'm just glad that we finally got our first video out. It's been a while guys, so bear with me. And like yesterday I kind of like forgot how to vlog. And I forgot how to talk to the camera. So yeah guys, please bear with me. But anyway, it's day 2. It's the second seminar out of the 4 sessions that we have. I'm waiting for Via to get out of the shower. Guys, I had such a good sleep. I did not want to wake up, but we're up. Ethan, morning. Okay, I gotta get up before Di like comes and gives me a hiding. Let's go. Bam! Ready guys. This is what you look like when you wake up like 20 minutes ago. Literally. There it is with a little wedge heel. Got the leather jacket on again. I wore this last night, but you know what? This is the only jacket I brought. Got my camera bag. My phone's in my camera bag. Come on, Candy. Via's ready. Yes, girl. These two have been awake since like the very morning, and they're still going, guys. They're still going. But me and Via, 8:30. No, these guys woke up to do their face. What time? 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, the day is all right, guys. It's not amazing. Oh, it's all right. The air is fresh. Beautiful. Anyways, fams, we're just gonna quickly get ready, and then we're gonna head off to the second day of the seminar. Join us. Let's go. Guys, I can't take this eye seriously. Last night I rubbed it and I like took some lashes with me. But we are arguing over who's paying. Because Di never lets us pay anything.
Never.
This girl never lets us pay anything, so never does. Ethan. Okay guys, let me just go in the service and you guys sit here, okay? You guys stay here. Don't hurry guys. Good morning classes. Morning. Okay guys, day 2, service 2 is done. Good job. One on the laptop, Vival was assisting from the bottom. They have a tight area in there, so 2 can't fit. But well done to the ladies for coming in. I saw you. Good job. I saw you. No, Via, the kids in the back. So we're headed home now. What are we doing, Di?
Everyone's just going their own way, getting their own lunch. So we're just gonna go and see in our own area what we have there.
Yeah, so Di said that they were gonna go to a restaurant, but then they ended up not going to a restaurant because the restaurant is too far. Apparently it's really far. So we are off to do our own thing. Okay, so we're all going to lunch together because these two live away from us.
They want to be different.
They want to be different from us.
Okay, get out. Get out now.
Okay, we're gonna get out and take the donuts.
You want to be different and walk?
So we're gonna go home and then we're gonna probably just nap because the kids they're feeling sick.
Yeah.
The kids are feeling sick, so we're gonna just probably go and rest.
All the mothers. All the mothers of the children. The mothers of the children are feeling very, very sick.
Okay, so we're gonna do that and then we'll come back and we'll show you what we actually grabbed to eat.
These are the famous Sydney donuts by Juju's.
Wow.
Juju's donuts. If you've eaten these donuts, do a thumbs up. These are what they look
Wow!
It's whipped cream with jam and some have chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
They look really good.
Tell them how your guys' sleep was. Bible.
How was your rest?
Our rest was really great. Our necks is so rested.
Yeah, so the pillows
Guys,
were too big for us.
The pillows are very fluffy.
Oh, what? Too fluffy? These are the ones that
Yeah, they're too fluffy. And Bible ended up sleeping with no pillow.
Hey guys, we're back at the hotel. Just I'm dying to.
Everyone's just thinking that. Back to the hotel room we go with our food and our snacks. We're due for a nap. Everyone's due for a nap.
Yes.
So the snacks that we got.
Okay guys, we're just eating right now. We're gonna like quickly, you know, eat and then we're gonna catch some Z's because I think everyone's like coming down with like a really, I don't think we're sixes, I think we're just run down, eh? But yeah family, we'll just show you what we're eating.
Oh gosh, I'm that hungry.
Anything and everything. The sauce here. Guys, don't all eat the salad at once. If you know, you know. You gotta get down to Red Rooster and try the chicken because it's just so good.
Sorry, Candace, can you just bring a cup or something? Or my drink? Just some sauce.
Okay fam, we're gonna have a nap now. I have a food coma. She's all good. But we're gonna have a nap and then we're gonna get up a bit like later and get ready. So yeah guys, don't mind me, I'm in my bed, I can't be bothered changing, but yeah. Okay, bye. Well, we're gonna try Ginger's donuts. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's made by Jimmy. Oh, Jojo. Where did I get Jimmy from? Okay, it's made by Jojo, and they gave us like 2 full boxes. So yeah, guys.
So we're gonna try both flavors.
Which one should we try first?
Let's do jam first.
Okay. I really don't like these because I don't know. I just never liked these from when I was a little girl. But we're gonna try it. Full effect. Cheers.
I like it better than the other ones I tasted.
I kind of like it too. This one is chocolate. Cheers to one. Listen.
I like that.
Me too.
Tastes like Nutella.
I think it's Nutella.
That's nice.
That one's nicer. The cream is a lot for me, but the Nutella brings it down. Yeah. Anyways, that's our random taste trial during this vlog. Thank you for the ad break.
Thank you, Jojo.
Thank you, Jojo. If you live here in Sydney, make sure you check out Jojo's Donuts. And yeah, fam, we gotta go get ready because like, show them the time. Yep. 5:15. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wrong side.
Okay guys, so we didn't have time to record when we got ready, but we did get ready in like 10 minutes because we were in a rush, but we are here now with Tia and we're gonna go inside now. Done. Here we go to the back, to the kitchen crew. Sis, hi. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. We got some sandwiches, some pancake, some rolls.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, team media. Everyone's waiting in the car, but I thought I'll just get all the pastas before I go.
I just wanted to put this girl on blast over here. This girl came in literally 30 minutes.
I had six children.
Six children? We're still sticking with that. Here, sis. Okay, but anyways, we're going to, me and Di are going to change our shoes. Show your fit. I really like your fit. This is her fit. She's got like a white dress. I like your trench coat.
It's not white.
What color is it?
Like off cream, like a
sis, that's a nice dress. But we're going, where are we going? We're going for Vival's dinner, aren't we? We're going to take Vival out because it was her birthday yesterday. And we're gonna go take her for dinner because we got time. Like, we never have time. But we have time today, so we're gonna go and do that. And then come back home, rest for our last service tomorrow. Yes. We'll see you. I can't get over this girl. Look at her nice ass trench coat, guys. Like she locked the whole song in her.
It's not a secret. Gosh, even Dad doesn't see.
No, it says, Mom goes to me, Mom goes, hey, now look what airport I got. And I was like, yes, what on the back?
And it goes a little something like,
How can we love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after fall. How can we love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after.
yeah.
and I'll keep love you warm all summer, and after fall I'll keep you warm all summer, and after fall I'll keep love you warm all
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It is actually 3:16 in the morning. We have Via in bed waiting for me to jump in bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Make sure you comment down below something that has blessed you this week, or even if you just want to say welcome back to YouTube, because you know we've been gone for a while. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video yet again. I said that twice now, but like we always say, don't forget to